What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to change oil in the two different styles of the Predator 3500 inverter generator. You need a socket set, the funnel it comes with, a piece of cardboard or styrofoam plate, something like that. It's just junky, a couple rags, a nice little flat tray. That really helps with the old style. And then I use 1030 full synthetic. But like I said, there's the new style, there's the old style, and let's check it out. Alright, hopefully that helps with the noise. I tried to cut it down. So this is the stand we keep it on. I feel like it helps to use an equal size block. I basically created a pit inside your tray right under it. And this is just the old style. The new style it's harder, but I'll walk you through it. At least what I do to maintain these. So you're gonna have a Phillips here, and then snap tabs here and here. And these Phillips, when it's new, these don't come out, but the longer you have it, watch out because they'll come out. But you can get under here, pop tab, take your finger down, pop, one more, pop, and then just hooks. Just peel it back and you're good on that. Then way down underneath, here's your drain plug, and then right down here there is a gasket or grommet. You just pull it down and that's your drain hole. Crack the seal so it can come out easier. Is the number 10 millimeter, and 8-inch extension works good. She goes, she starts draining. So that takes about 2 minutes to fully drain, and you can tilt it too to get more out of it, but it does fine just like this. So I'll let that finish draining. Alrighty, so set that aside, make sure to put your plug back in. It recommends 50 hours for oil change, but that's with conventional oil. I use full synthetic, and I feel comfortable and safe going 250 hours. It's roughly the range that I keep aiming for. I'm getting a lot of hours out of these units. Harbor Freight did a really good job with them. Quite impressive machines. Slide that out of the way, clean up our drainage. This is the funnel that comes with it. 1.5 quart, if I remember correctly. Drain down. Force the flow. Then you can check it. I'm unsure of the actual quarts that it holds, but I mean, it's a small amount. Just add some, check it. See, we're just now on the dipstick after that amount of pouring. Add a little bit more. halfways. That's just a force of habit. It's changing oil in cars. Pour. Looks like we're just a hair over, so I'll have to drain some out. No, spot on. You can see it's just below the high mark, so it's good to go. This one, it's got a lot of hours on it already. It's almost 4,000, I believe, and it's sending a lot through the air filter, blow by and stuff. So we'll end up doing a warranty on it soon. But that's the first one down, just reassembling now.